Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you step by step how to add color gradient on Canva. So let's get started. Head over to Canva, select your design category. Like for demonstration purposes, we will go with a simple 16:9 presentation. Click on it. Next, select the presentation you would like to use. Like for demonstration purposes, we'll go with that one here. Add all pages to your project, and after that, guys, select the element you would like to add the color gradient to, like the background, for example. Click on it, and next select the color toolbar here in the upper left corner. Click on it, scroll down and select the gradient or color gradient you would like to apply, like for example that one here with a black and white color, or that one here with a dark blue and a black one, or a pink and yellow. Or click on the gradient you would like to apply, and as you can see, the gradient or color gradient has been added to all of your pages so that you don't have to do it page by page manually anymore. And that's basically it, guys. That's all the magic behind this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.